This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 32, how to use to-do lists more effectively. Now, what does your current to-do list look like? Now, for most people, it is not looking good. It's a huge list of things that aren't actionable, aren't helpful. Maybe they're old, maybe they're new, but it's a huge list. You never are going to get it done. You never can get it done because there's so much. Now, a lot of the times it isn't clear or it isn't something that you could actually do and take action on. So, for example, I looked at a to-do list a while back and it said, write book. That's not one thing you do. That's an entire process. That's hours upon hours of work, creativity, and blood, sweat, and tears going into that project. That's not just something you write off. Now, you can break that down and write a book, but you're not going to get that done in one afternoon. Keeping that in mind, we want to look at the purpose of a to-do list. Purpose of a to-do list is to get everything off your mind that needs to be accomplished, that needs to be dealt with, and put it on paper so you can actually go out there and accomplish it. Now, a to-do list is also supposed to give you a sense of accomplishment. At the end of the day, you are looking to accomplish something, you're looking to get something done, and you want to feel good about it. It feels really good to have 10 things on a to-do list, and at the end of that day, everything's marked off, and you can go home and relax. That's a powerful feeling, to say the least. When you've accomplished everything, you can actually fully relax. Now, that being said, take a look at the list you have now. If it's 50 items, 100 items, cut it down mercilessly. Can you do that task? Does that task still relate to what you're trying to accomplish? If not, if it doesn't make sense to have it on the list, cut it out. Cut it down to something that's more manageable, and then cut it and use it on a daily basis. So this is today's to-dos, this is tomorrow's to-dos, so on and so forth. So at the end of the day, you can have that accomplishment, you can have that win where you're able to finish what you set to do, and the day's to-do list should be done by the end of the day so you can get that relaxation and get that reward. So you don't have to worry about anything else. Worry about how it's mounting up and how you still haven't made headway.